Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, guys. It's Tuesday morning. We're going to start it off with Dixie on a daily time frame. As you can see, Dixie has been holding this 101 level with confidence. We are starting to make a little triangle consolidation where the lows are tightening, the highs are tightening. We're coming to a resistance midpoint and it is above the 101, which is good. I am looking for Dixie to go claim into that 102 level within today, tomorrow, by the end of this week at the very least. And I want to see us close above 102 and hold it above 102. Doing so will give a lot of downside to tech and crypto. I get it, but I am looking for this for upside continuation to come. Now, if we come into this 102 and reject and we lose that 101 again, then I can look for us to come into that $98 level. But until then, I am looking at this as major support being confirmed and looking for upside to test into resistance where we broke down. First will be 102, then I'm looking for 103.50, then I'll be looking at 104 and etc. Please understand that this is a W accumulation formation that I'm watching right now. Yeah, and that's basically all I have for Dixie. It is up to you to decide what you think. Yeah, I don't see on that one. I was just trying to see if I could see open interest on that, but obviously not because it's not a futures. Ha ha ha. I am looking for us to at least come test back into 104. Between 101 to 104, I expected the consolidation, which is exactly what we're getting. And then I'm looking for that nasty, nasty style breakout above 104, going right to like 108, 109. And that's going to be the reality check for a lot of people who are um, trying to tell me I'm wrong. Okay. Let's go now to Bitcoin on a daily. Here it is. And I'm going to make today's video as quick as possible because we're going to be on a live stream anyway, so what's the point of me wasting my breath? So as you can see, this is what we did last time. We did a little distribution, played around with the 200, flirted, and then broke down. Dang it, I don't want to show you all of that. We are doing the exact same thing right now. We're flirting with the 55 EMA. If we consolidate open and close daily, if we close the daily under 27.7 today, then I would be looking for the next daily open and look for continuation to the downside into 26.5. And then more than likely that $24,600 area is where I'll be waiting for price action. If we are in a bullish stance and we're not going to go to the 24,600, then 26,000 should be our support level and we should use that and continue back up. Closing the daily under 26,000, then definitely we're going to 24.6, and it could get even uglier than that. As I'm showing you, Dixie is putting in its local low. Cryptos are putting in their local tops, and they look like distribution head and shoulder tops. So mark down, mark down, mark down. I'm looking for 3 markdown legs before we look for a reversal and upside. So yeah, just be ready with that moving forward. Let me go to a quick 4 hour to give you a quick review. So 4 hour wise, we can definitely use this 27,200 as support. And the second you get that 4 hour open and close underneath 27.2, you're going to get that quick move probably to 26.2, which is $1,000. And then you can go to 25. From there, you can see if we can find some support or not on a 4 hour time frame. I already gave you the levels that I'm looking for on a daily, but use that for your guide moving forward, and then we can decide if you get the 4 hour. So I only talked about downside, so shame on me. Kind of talking a little bit biased, but we should not be biased of downside. This can quickly reverse up here with open interest starting to show bullish divergence. I mean cumulative delta showing bearish bullish divergence. So a little bit of upside poke can come into this 28,500, and that would probably be used as a shorting opportunity if you didn't get into your short already. But once you start closing 4 hour open and closes above 28.5, just look for that 29.2 to be claimed, and then you could look for 30, 31.5, etc. Okay? So don't assume just down, down, down. The possibility of it breaking down will be more certain the 4 hour open and close under 27.2, because that means all this liquidity is grabbed and it still wants lower. So yeah, be ready for it. It's not going to be pretty. Let's go now to a daily on ETH, and we'll wrap it up. We're not going to do no altcoin um, roundups on the video today because nobody's been watching the videos, so shame on y'all. Here is ETH looking like a head and shoulder on a daily distributional kind of structure. I am looking for a little bit further downside today. We want to see if we hold 1800. If we lose 1800, we'll be looking at 1760. If we lose 1760, we're looking at 1680. And those levels are something that you should very be paying attention to. They're very important moving forward, and they're about to come in your face. That's what he. They're about to be in your face very soon. So this first stop of this distribution is going to be here. More than likely, they're not going to stop here, and they're going to poke into that 200. And then we can look for either support and reversal or continuation to the downside to hunt even lower. And it's time to actually be aware and wary of those things. If we get a 4-hour open and close above 1880, then I'll be looking for 1920. Getting that 4-hour above 1920, we can look for 2000. Getting the 4-hour above 2000, we can look for 2150. Getting that 4-hour above 2150, we can look for 2300. And level by level is what we're going to play. So I give you upside, I give you downside. Let's go look at the 4-hour to see what's more coming in our uh, present time frame. Trying to not say silly things. Whew. So another thing on ETH, exactly like Bitcoin, the cumulative delta is starting to flatten out, and then that is giving you a possibility of a quick upside pop. So don't assume downside, downside, downside. If you get a 4-hour open and close above 1850, you should start looking to target that 1880. If you get that 1880 claim with the 4-hour open and close, look for 1920. After that, look for that 2000 and then 2150. But you are looking for a poke, but I would say 1880 is a possible shorting opportunity if you want to take that again. Until we actually claim a 4-hour open and close above that 200, I would be using it as resistance moving forward and looking for us to close that short near 1750 to 1650. So $200 down, possible move. So be ready for this happening today if Dixie actually gets some upside continuation. Aside from that, guys, I'm going to be getting ready for the live, which is in about 30 minutes. So if you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join us on the Discord server. The link to the Discord server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that help this channel grow. So thank you for using them, because I have done absolutely diddly squat with YouTube. But you guys supporting the member side and using the affiliate links is helping me keep everything alive and running. So thank you so much. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. And then, as usual, if you could do me a solid, and if you don't want to go to the Discord server or support the channel with affiliate links, if you could at the very much least just like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you haven't already, and help share this video to other like-minded traders, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.